We're running the first event of the Europe side of the world tour. Last year we traveled all over the States. I did 8 cities, starting up in Oregon, went down to LA, San Francisco, Austin, all the way through to New York, back through. So we decided we'd do it again. And Nami, here behind the camera, is driving and helping out with the whole event. So got a bit of backup this time. We're doing Barcelona in about 2 hours. And then we drive up and do Paris next weekend, Amsterdam the weekend after, and then finish up in London. And then Rowan runs the whole US side of the tour coming up in the next 2 months. We are set. Barcelona. Pre-event lunch. So we just got here to Marbella skate park. The difference with the Raptor 2 is it's direct drive. We've got motors inside the wheels, so a lot of the competitors on the market are selling belt drive systems. So you can see here we've got a Meepo with a direct drive system, we've got a belt drive system. The reason we're going with belt drive system is there's less maintenance, there's more ground clearance. It's a really smooth ride. Like, it's not making really any noise when you ride. You feel it when you get a go on it. It's smooth. It's also got 432 watt-hour battery, so it's a higher battery capacity than really any of the other consumer boards on the market. Basically, you have a forwards and you have a brake. You got back for brake, forwards to go. Up is the slow mode, and down engages the R-spec mode. This feature in up cuts the signal to about 80%, so you get 80% of the full power of the board. It's really smooth. This is one of the best parts of the Enertion board for me. You can hear how quiet that is. It's quieter on the road. Drop his camera off so he can try our spec. So just asking if this is the version 2 or the 2.1. This is the version 2. The 2.1 will have the Box Unity and a couple of additions to the motors, which will be quite exciting.
I thought like the Meepo 2.0 was like freaking, I don't know.
Powerful?
Yeah. But this is like, I don't know, it's just crazy.
Yeah. I think he's having a pretty good time there. Yeah. And so we got Jack here from eSkater, runs a really popular eSkate community page.
And today we're going to try the Raptor 2. The remote looks pretty good. Well, I bought a helmet because this board's pretty fast, so let's see how the acceleration and the braking. First impressions, loads of power. No problem getting up that hill.
Loads of power, he says. Yeah. Good.
That was fun.
What do you think?
Definitely had some fun on this Raptor. I've lost on the moisture in my lips, sorry. Going too fast there. No, I had some fun on this Raptor. Loads of power. Braking was good. The trucks, I could easily maneuver. And the remote wasn't bad either.
Sweet.
All in all, good.
Well, Gabriel is gonna have his first try on the Raptor 2. I met Gabriel maybe 2 days ago. Just down on the beach there, like he's riding his Evolve. He's sponsored by Evolve, like he's repping the e-skate scene. This is crazy with 2 GoPros going on right there, liking it. So yeah, he's signed up for the affiliate program. He's gonna do his own little video for the Raptor 2. So Let's go out and have a try.
Yeah.
Be
We're
careful.
gonna be making trial with Nani, N-A-N-Y, Nani Hasbro, because this is our channel, you know, and we are so proud of every board. We don't do exclusivity with any board. We love them all of the e-boards. We love all electrics. We are a movement, you know. The Nani Hasbro is a movement also.
They always say, "Oh my God." he's liking the speed.
Making a wheelie while oh my God, it's so powerful, silent. It's so silent and powerful, this board. This Enertion board is so powerful. I'm not kidding, like I cannot touch it.
You feel comfortable with the speed? Nice.
It's so solid that it's not too handable for straight corners, but for the city, you know, it's just what you need. It's intelligent.
Tell me, if this was a car, and maybe the Evolve was like a different kind of car, which car would this be?
This would be like a Bentley, you know?
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all different, you know, like a boosted board is fun, but
the one is like just like a Lamborghini, you know?
Yeah.
This one you feel it.
The Bentley vibe, yeah. And the Baja board, you have the Land Cruiser or something like that. Maybe we go for a group ride, huh? Cool. So everyone's had a little go on the board, and now we're gonna go for a little group ride through town.
Hello. Look at this path. Barcelona.
Okay, I've just suggested we do a race. Hey everyone, let's do a race. Okay, this is the finish line. This is the finish line, we'll start over there. Drag race. So we got Meepo versus Enertion version 1 versus Raptor 2 versus the, was that the Riptide, the Tesseraptor, what's that? Cool Wheel and Bamboo, no, Carbon, it's a GT, Bamboo? Bamboo GT. Okay, lift up your board, show me what you have. Oh, oi. Spin it. Oh yeah. The Raptor 2. Oh, look at that artwork. Okay, so it's a straight drag race. I think the distance is good enough to test a bit of top speed and power off the line. All right, push start whether you want or not. I'm not going to push start on the Raptor 2. So we go on 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I won. Ooh, that was scary. I thought you were going to win as well.
Well, I tried my best, but they expected mine.
Oh no! And the Raptor 2 won again. Boom! Victory! So we've had a pretty amazing ride across Barcelona. We've gone through some of the best like seaside routes. Everyone's loving the board. We did have a little bail, but now we're ending in this pretty spectacular location. Check this out. Yeah. Yeah, team. Yeah. Tune in next time for the Paris demo, which is next Saturday. I'm looking forward to seeing some of you crew over there. Hopefully, I think we're going to have a lot bigger numbers for that one, so it's going to be a really big group ride through Paris. See you then.